Entrepreneurship has been around since the classical era when humans first began trading. The first known trade took place in New Guinea around 17,000 BCE. Locals exchanged obsidian for other goods. Now we are exploring the remarkable challenges that entrepreneurs have faced over the past 50 to 100 years. It's a journey that reveals the tenacity, innovation, and resilience that define the entrepreneurial spirit. Let's begin in the mid-20th century, a time of post-war rebuilding and economic expansion. Entrepreneurs faced unique challenges during this era. In the 1950s and 60s, access to capital was limited, and government regulations were strict. Starting a business often meant navigating a complex web of bureaucracy. Despite these hurdles, entrepreneurs of that era managed to build iconic companies like IBM, McDonald's, and Disney. They demonstrated that with vision and determination, it was possible to overcome these challenges and create enduring legacies. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s, a period marked by the rapid rise of technology. Entrepreneurs faced new challenges as they grappled with the emergence of personal computers, the internet, and globalization. The pace of change was dizzying, and competition fierce. Silicon Valley became synonymous with innovation, giving birth to giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Entrepreneurs who embraced technology found unprecedented opportunities, but they also had to adapt quickly to a constantly evolving landscape. Entering the new millennium, entrepreneurs confronted the aftermath of the dot-com bubble burst and the global financial crisis. Funding became scarcer, and consumer trust was shaken. E-commerce and the sharing economy disrupted traditional industries, while cybersecurity threats loomed large. Yet, this era also saw the emergence of groundbreaking startups like Google, Facebook, and Uber. Entrepreneurs leveraged the power of digital platforms and data analytics to redefine industries and connect with global markets. Today, as we navigate the 2020s, entrepreneurs face a unique set of challenges, with the COVID-19 pandemic being a significant disruptor. The crisis forced businesses to adapt rapidly to remote work, supply chain disruptions, and changing consumer behavior. Sustainability concerns are increasingly important, and there's growing pressure for businesses to address environmental and social issues. But amid these challenges, we've witnessed remarkable resilience. Entrepreneurs have pivoted to meet new demands, leveraging digital technologies for e-commerce, remote collaboration, and healthcare innovation. Startups are tackling climate change and social inequality head-on, proving that they can be a force for positive change. While the specific challenges have evolved over the past 50 to 100 years, several common threads and lessons emerge. Adaptability. Successful entrepreneurs have always been adaptable, willing to embrace change and pivot when necessary. The ability to evolve with the times is a hallmark of entrepreneurship. Innovation. Entrepreneurship thrives on innovation. Whether it's technological advancements or novel business models, innovation has been a driving force behind entrepreneurial success. Resilience. Entrepreneurs face setbacks and failures, but it's their resilience that sets them apart. The willingness to persevere in the face of adversity is a key trait. Global perspective. As the world has become increasingly interconnected, entrepreneurs must think globally. Access to international markets and collaboration across borders have become essential. Social responsibility. Modern entrepreneurs are recognizing the importance of social responsibility. Businesses that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices are gaining favor with consumers. All the challenges faced by entrepreneurs over the past 50 to 100 years have been diverse and ever-changing. Yet, time and time again, entrepreneurs have risen to the occasion, demonstrating their ability to innovate, adapt, and contribute to the growth and progress of society. As we look to the future, we can expect even more complex challenges and opportunities. The entrepreneurial spirit remains a beacon of hope, showing us that with determination and vision, we can overcome any obstacle and shape a better world for generations to come.